E727 on deck 8 on the Sky Princess.
Sky Princess.
And you actually have a walk-in closet when you come in to the right hand side. Shelving up above. And the bathroom has a bathtub.
Ooh.
With a shower
head and a shower curtain.
Okay.
Ooh.
So we're gonna see how this does. This is don't like the shower curtains.
Bathtub. Ooh.
Okay, we're gonna see. We'll see throughout the week. But this is a mini suite. This bathroom is kind of small.
But nice. It is laid out nicely.
Nice, but
it's clean. Nice.
I don't see any hairs anywhere right now, so that's a plus.
That's a plus.
Okay. I'll let you know if I find nastiness.
So they have the closet right there.
Excuse me. Hello, people. And another mirror over here with a little shelfie thing. Not sure what that is for. And that's where the safe is. It's actually behind the bathroom door. Safe and more shelving. And here's the bed. We're going to test out the comfiness. Let's see. It's kind of... So you do have USB on the lamp, which is a plus. You got light switches. And let's see. Little drawers here to the side of the bed. They're pretty deep. See, hubby is now sleeping because we've been up early in the morning. Yep, the TV is opposite the bed.
2 TVs.
This is why it feels so hot in here. This is a thermostat. I'm really hoping that means it's cold.
I will give him that. 2 TVs.
We have 2 TVs. USB is on both sides of the bed. So if you had a third person in here, you have a little curtain. Little seating area here. Nice size couch. I think it's a pull-out couch. Not sure. Lots of drawers here. The hairdryer is in the top drawer. Pretty deep drawers. No James Bond drawer on this one. And here you have your plug sockets. One looks like 1 American and 2 European. Over here. And then another American over here on the right hand side of the desk. And you have an old grouchy phone. A little tiny fridge here.
Cooler,
it's a cooler. We'll see if it keeps cold. We've got glasses there, a little shelf area. Let's see. There's the light.
Wow.
So, okay, the light around the mirrors. Okay.
You first.
Alright.
You're going to need to go first.
Okay, this is a really tiny balcony. Woo! And it's raining. It's a really tiny balcony. I'm standing at one end, and hubby is literally at the other end. That's how big the balcony is.
I'm not all the way back, but you get the idea.
This is a relatively small balcony for a mini suite. Looks like people above could possibly look down to us, but we'll see as the week goes. Alright, that'll do it for the room tour and Sky Princess Suite E727. Talk to you later. Oh, thumbs up and subscribe if you like this video. Bye for now.